Welcome to Harrison Puffin's Puppet Show number 2. I won't take a bath. Hi, I'm Harry. I'm all cool and stuff, and I won't take a bath.
Hi, I'm Harry's mom, and I need him to take a bath.
Mom?
Yes, dearie?
I don't want to take a bath. I'm too cool.
You have to, sweetie, because if you don't, you're going to get bugs in your armpits.
I like bugs.
Well, that's nice. Now go in the bath, because your dad's coming, and he's going to get mad.
Sure. I'll see about that.
Wait till he sees.
Hi, I'm Harry's dad and all, yeah.
Honey,
Yes, darling.
Harry won't take a bath.
Why not?
He thinks he's too cool.
Well, he is pretty cool. I'll talk to him.
Thank you.
Harry is so cool. I am so cool. Ooh, do do do. Shaky boy. Do do. I'm so cool. Harry? Yes, Father? I need a word with you. Okay. You see, Harry, your mother told me that you're too cool. You think you're too cool for a bath. Well, I am pretty cool. I know you are, Harry. But your mother doesn't think that. So you need a bath now.
You know what?
Yes? No, I'm not taking a bath. Ben! You will never learn. Ben! Can you stop bothering me? I'm playing Zelda on Wii, and I'm almost beat the Zelda part. Yeah, well, forget that. Dad is going to chase me down so that I take a bath, and Mom's pissed. Well, I don't know anything. Go ask Anna. Anna? You know Anna, Ben. I'm not going to ask her. Why? She'll just say, I want to play your game. Randomly. True. Here's what you gotta do. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Oh! Later that day. Harry! You better be in that bath! I am, Mother. Look, I'm clean. You actually took a bath. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Mother. Now can you stop hugging me? You're kind of squeezing me. This calls for a celebration. I'm going to bake the cake. Little does she know that I just washed my hair in the sink.